Hello students, hope you're doing well. Today we are going to know an interesting thing about physical education is career. Yes, you heard it right. There has been a misconception that there is no career in physical education and you can't make money in this field. But the truth is that you can earn money and you can become successful. So let's discuss now career options, that is teaching, coaching, health related career, administration related career, performance related career, and communication media. So here first is teaching career. While step into the physical education field, it doesn't necessary to become only a good player or a good coach. Teaching is another best option to teach students about different and interesting subjects like sports biomechanics, anatomy, physiology, statistics, test and measurement, sports management, sports medicine, research, etc. For choosing teaching as a profession, one must be a well qualified with a certified bachelor's or master's degree and diploma in physical education from recognized university. Moving ahead, next point is coaching career. If an individual having a less interest in academics but pay a full attention in their specific game, so he or she has an option to go with a coaching career. As we all know that there are a lot of job opportunities which are provided by government organizations such as SAI, means Sports Authority of India, NIS means National Institute of Sports, and other universities, schools, colleges, etc. And coaches are those who conduct practice session and matches, etc. To become a coach, one should obtain diploma course is concerned game or sports. Next is a Master of Sports degree is an additional qualification for higher level of coaching. And one can also have a 1 year national diploma in sports from NIS and 6 week certificate courses. Next one is a health related career. In the present scenario, people become a very health conscious and everyone wants to be a healthy and fit life. In health related career, one can open up the health clubs and work as a fitness trainer, athletic trainer, gym trainer, yoga trainer, personal trainer, physiotherapist, etc. One can also enter into the field of sports medicine, sports nutrition, cardiac rehabilitation, etc. To choose this as a career, one must possess diploma certified after 12th class and good fitness abilities, and a diploma course in sports medicine. And next is the DYED, means diploma in yoga education. Moving to the next one, that is administration. As we all know, sports take their a different corner in everyone's hearts as compared to the earlier times. Now youth have their own role model of sportsman and sportswoman, owing to increase of sports participation and sports related businesses. So there is a need for individuals trained in sports management. For administration career, one can go for a sports administration, management and organization. There is a various post, that is director of sports, assistant director of sports, DSO, which means district sports officers. And the most amazing thing is that in India, there is a no need of separate management qualifications for such posts because it's only based on seniorities. So the next one is performance related. A player can earn through a large number of participation at various levels such as inter-school, inter-college, district level, state level, national level and international level competitions. Also, a player receives a many offer to promote things. So it is another way to make money by the player. And we can also add an example of a player who can make money on the basis of matches. So the next one is officials. There are various officials who concerned with the tournaments such as referee, umpire, timekeeper, recorder, scorer, etc. The sportsman can pursue the career as an official of conducting the concerned games. And the next one is recorder. By maintaining a record as a recorder of any sports event, one can also start their career in it. Moving ahead, there is a communication media. There is a lot of career options are available in the communication media. One can promote sports or a particular event through a media by posting information in Facebook, in YouTube, in WhatsApp groups, and go live sessions, tweet, etc. And television, radio, newspaper, magazines, marketing, sellings, event management, etc. are included in the communication media. Those physical educators who have talent to give information in the way and create design in sports magazines and newspapers and have a talent to writing also. They may opt a career as a sports journalist. There are a large number of sports channels like ESPN, Sports Star, etc. There is a need of a good communicators for a different kind of sports event. If a person having interest in photography can work with a newspaper and sports magazines, so a physical educators also have a career opportunities in field of sports photography. If a person having a knowledge about the sports biomechanics, sports sociology, sports medicines, exercise physiology, and research method, etc., may write their books and publish it for their youth because it is very helpful for the youth to know the basic things. Publishers of books on sports and physical education need people who have interest and knowledge about the various games, their rules, their regulations, and their histories. It can also be a career in sports. In sports industry, a person can make his career in sports industry by manufacturing the sports events, their tools, uniforms and other things which are very necessary and useful in sports field. Last but not the least, the sports marketing. The one who have knowledge about the sports and games can also make their career in the field of marketing of various equipments, and they can work with the national and international companies with sale, purchase and marketing of the products. So that's it for today. Hope you understand this session and able to remember it. If you have any query, let me know in the comment box. Thank you.